Hi guys, I hope you are well. In this videos, I am going to show you a reactive merchant that I fixed in the 1st January. It's a dropshipping business. If I click business information, uh, look at here. The country is Morocco and is verified with Morocco's phone number. On the other hand, if I click products, look at here. The most of the items are already active. If I click account issues, there is no issues here. If I click feeds, look at here, his targeted country is United States. Okay. On the other hand, if I click growth and then manage program, I am already set up free product listing and shopping ads. Look at here, both are active. Thank you so much.